Hello students, in my previous video I have explained you 7 important types of figures of speech. Today I am going to explain you some more figures of speech. Number 1 repetition, number 2 alliteration, number 3 climax, number 4 anticlimax, number 5 antithesis. Let's look into the figure of speech repetition. Repetition is a figure of speech wherein a word or group of words are repeated. It is used to create rhythm and bring attention to an idea. Let's understand repetition with some examples. The president said, work, work and work are the key to success. Here you can see the word work, work is repeated thrice to bring attention to the importance of work to gain success. This was an example where a word is repeated. Now let's look into the example where group of words are repeated. If you think you can do it, you can do it. Here as you can see, you can do it is repeated twice. So whenever you see a word or group of words are repeated, it is repetition. Now let's look into the next figure of speech, alliteration. It is a figure of speech in which the same letter is repeated at the beginning of two or more words in a line. Let's understand it with an example. How high His Highness holds his haughty head. In this line, the letter H has been repeated in the beginning of 8 words. So, this is an example of alliteration. Let's look into next figure of speech, climax. In this figure of speech, words are arranged in the increasing order of importance. All the events are in sequential order. Let's look into an example of climax. She came, she saw, she conquered. Here you can see that the whole situation is maintained. First one is coming, then seeing, and then conquering. As we have mentioned in ascending order, the climax is used. Let's look into the next figure of speech which is exactly opposite of climax. Anticlimax. The opposite of climax is anticlimax. In it there is a sudden fall from higher to lower. It is mainly used for the purpose of satire or ridicule. That is, the last event comes first, then second, then the first event. Let's look into an example of it. I die, I faint, I fall. Here you can compare all three and easily understand that the sequence is exactly reverse. Ideally, it should be like fall, faint and then die. But here the sequence is opposite. That is die, faint and fall. As we have mentioned them, descending order, anticlimax is used here. Next is antithesis. An antithesis is a figure of speech in which two opposite ideas are put together in a sentence to achieve a contrasting effect. Let's understand it with an example. My loss is your profit. Here two opposite ideas are being referred. One person is having a loss while other one is getting profit by his or her loss. As two opposite ideas are put together in a sentence to achieve a contrasting effect, it is an antithesis. I hope you have understood these figures of speech. Thank you.